Remember, it's the 50 years election.
This round is anything or anything. 15 years. Anything or anything. All the way to the next round of war. Panther. You have a friend in our boat. You let down country like a while. But not a lie. You let down blood clot country. Justice. Are you a war next round, you know? Are you a blood clot jump on next round? But I'll show you. People, when you see justice up your hole and put in them hand, you fly all the way from Miami to come up your hole and bull but boy. All who does a Batman feel rising gun on in the ear, so. All who kill Batman rising gun on the blind blood clot here, so I'll squeeze the one here. But that's okay.
Hey, there's not a big bad phone wall from where you bust it.
I'm pretty quick. We don't know something.
Everyone who think of yourself, they love no see. I'm like who think of yourself, they love no see. Let's shop throw, leave yourself.
We catching up the pharmacy a buy pad. But them a buy rap pussy all your life bad. And when we catch them sound they a be a talk. You get a shine on your face, shine on your eyes, murder your bumper class.
Justice come on now. All about Stonewall this and Stonewall that. Party boy justice. Party boy juvenile. I will shoot up your blood clot the morning now. Silence!
What's going on there?
Come off the stage. Right in the top here. Come off the blood clot stage. I'm going to play some blood clot anthem now. Shirless, play some tune from Plantation days. Judgment. blood clot ganja man show the man in here. Silence! Turn it on! Mr. Justice come up here, come hold a bull body in their hand. All who don't fuck the body push on them in a year, so. They're looking at dance. All who don't fuck the body push on them.
Yes, someone can't put them on the year. They want to put them on the pocket. That's the truth. Yes, some boy come and dance. Them can't play come here unless them man pay for them. Yes, some boy can't come and dance unless them man tell them to go. Can't understand them some boy. Don't lie, this is not true. We have blood. Violence and she got them on a bad man with me.
feel happy. Justice, you're not a true. 3-7s, you run with a blood glass and a vocal round. That round, that's some play, you know? No blood glass and play. So now squeeze on.
Oh, this is no longer fair. The big bad mighty stone ball. Motherfucking niggas are all violence. Man, they grab 'em like murder. Antifa, she already killed them.
Justice, you don't know about blood clot, Antifa. Hold on, listen to my voice. When the blood clot song you're playing up tonight in your drum. Hold on. People, Panther, you come up here, come play a lame song. Yeah? When you come up here, you have to play real blood clot music. Silence! Burn it up with a song. You know what, my own girl, own what? And that's the love I say. It's a Starland, it's a Ireland, it's a Jones, it's a violence, it's a school all that shot, come and shot, get them a yup. School all we are hot stand up. We don't it's a Jones, it's a when you play local artists, I say play local artists. Squeeze around the circle. What is this?
Three sounds are the dead tonight. So when you're gonna from left to right, shut down the boys that does we like. Stonewall out the room this night.
The justice when they come and take a run from a stone yard, where they come there for? And last one, oh man, so fast. So fast. 15 minutes! 3-7s, never waste no time. 3-7s, 15 minutes!
Rasta. To the field to represent 3-7 song Rasta, you don't know. I say big up to Antigua, English Harbour, you don't know. Liberta and all the country crew. When the 3-7s clash, I want them bomber holding nose that them shouldn't ram with 3-7s Rasta. I want them guided a stone wall and a bomber clap. No envy, I should say. So envy us. Because we know them envy us. Plus, they try everything in the world and just Rasta. I see this vehicle pull over on the side of the road and decided to go knocking. Because the vehicle was rocking. All the years the police have this blood clot work, and the first thing will drop him. It's the boom blast of any cock in my mouth and it shock him. Nobody want to give no bad man a bumbo clock. You're the mother came in your class, she said, all you are going like you're the most bad man. She said, don't watch P9. He's so pussy from him 9. She said, he violate gangster laws because he's so more pussy than a Victoria's Secret draws when he was so pussy. He remote now be the pause. I know Stonewall, now I know something Rasta. From the little youth a blow Rasta, like for once and once nobody say no say stone. I saw when some man put on them body in the Rasta. Me I tell you some man, don't choose on the name, don't choose on the name why is the Rasta. I'll tell you something, don't talk about name no. Before some man call himself Brian McKnight, R. Kelly, Bruno Mars, a man can really call himself Whitney. Yeah, man, that's a dirty hobby. So your name Whitney, I go walk up from Bobby. I begin to understand, say, you fuck going back around the freedom. But effectively, you is food. And you run with burger and TikTok. Fight against the man name and sell out burn off a foreign. That's the man they go call a Jane Rasta. But you look with two Guyanese man, you know. He's a bumble with Rasta, you need to understand. So fire me love, fuck me chop your bowl of jello. I tell you, you win. Yeah, dead some boy, I got dead. Another one.
I'm just for sure them that can still love you. Big up Melodan. You see what they say, Panther? I just want to say go to the song, but one tonight, be free. One Melomino and a Melodan. I respect Melodan, push on a so straight. The next one, continue in your father Melo, in your father Jello, in for big joke for Jello. You want me love with us now? Listen to us,
Yeah, you know what that guy you know. I'm here represent for 3 seconds. And no matter how far, me call Panther, the general.
Wait, what guy before?
Hello, what one number guy?
Yeah, Panther, you don't want to be a song there. Panther, your friend, you are feeling
Let
morning.
That's where you want it.
She said, "We have to get back." She looked the bad man, then who's the bad man? I know what you want, it's really not to go. She said, "We're talking about how we don't go. How about that she's on the one that we go. Make up them see you go from it up here."
Antigua, seriously. The pussy never fight no so. They tell my father, they give them that tune. The pussy them my money. Charge them $1,000 for one song. And my father tell you, oh, the bastard say $1,000, you know, it's so big Antigua, you know. They must try to fight the young soul, them no. At 19 years, they do this. Big up father and boy, Charo, Divas, big up blood clot weird. Federal, please not kill the pussy them.
People are stop quick. After them, ready to shot. Who goes? Stand your horse. Stand the front.
All who wants to make you slow while to my ear. Make the wicked who want for this song right now.
Stand the front. Say, you only got a few seconds more. But you have it right here on the dance floor. You know in this whole country, if I'm ready hit. Bosses are no pain, now bosses are happy. This is what I'm
Big up my girl, straight cocky. The man don't get that cocky, says straight. Oh, Whitney, Antigua, but not everybody hear this. Whitney love bull girl. All you know bull girl to one here. Brother, bless this girl. Bless it.
Sound change with them on that screen, with them on from sound for that free, so who's the most that we
don't know what I'm doing. That boy is not right here. Who's the one listen?
Father, then drop on the table, by himself,
When I say Monty, you say Killer.
Ready for black the fucking roadie. Yes, sir.
Wait, bitch, up top, come on, stone all.
Alright.
Bitch, up there, more entry, got tacky, sweet around the entry. All who stand for, all the motherfuckers got 2 here. 2 more guys, get the stone all.
Yes.
Antigua. When I say Bunty, you say killer. Bunty. That one. That the things that we eat here. Friend of the play so long time. Who will you play so long time? The first one, the one on the play over. Because we not play over that song. Experience teaches wisdom. All over it 1 year so. And just last week, play the next Bunty killer.
And now, I just gotta say, this is none other than the big bad boy 37s. Motherfucker, you send me straight out here over here. It's all up.
We can't do this, but we don't control the counter. Father, the electric speak on Facebook. Look how he's on there. Turn it up. Slap the body that's up here. Slap the body of folk man. All the body that's here, but there's some man doing like this. Not justice, we don't know. For that, it's some black cats. What's up there? What's up there? One moment. No, that's what we do. Quick. See my chair first. Come and tell them now. Now, Batima come and see. All the man knows that Batima come and see. You got your 2 years straight up. All the man know 42 years. Play my songs. All your Batima keep that aside. The man of fuck the last 2 years straight. Make that see you.
Yo!
I think hold on, we're gonna get Judge around it. We're not ready for Judge around, now Judge around it. Imperial Promotions is presented to you, Reggae Alarm 2012, and they would like to pick up the sponsors Lime, and Lime would like to present a BlackBerry phone to a winner. I don't know if the winner is here, but I have a number of 7718017. Look like the girl over there in the red. 7718017. If you have that number, you have some prizes from Imperial Promotions, because this promotion I present to you, serious scratch, serious wars. So, alright. Compliments, Akuna Smooth beverages. Yeah, man, anybody that wants, anybody, you see this now? Because this is some people now, they don't understand about life and liberty. Some people say, oh, some people don't have this for comfort. And in Imperial Promotions, I say, give to the poor and needy. Some people say, oh, you don't want it, and cut style, right? No problem. There's some other people that don't have this. So anybody who know, if you have a neighbor that needs this, come take it and give it to the young man. And so you live it. What's that? Watch. Love the choice still. Anyway, the BlackBerry phone now. Imperial Promotions. The BlackBerry phone now. We will just keep texting the number too, right? Alright, cool. So the person with that telephone number, 7718017. Enough of that? No! Who win that 15-minute round by the show of hands? Is it Stonewall? By the show of hands. All who say Stonewall? By the show of hands. All who say 3 Stones win that round. Take them down. By the show of hands. All who say Justice won that round. 2 hands. So the next round is dump for dump. So 3 Sevens is in the dump for dump. We need one more song to go there now. By the show of hands, for that 15-minute round, all who say Stonewall win that round, 2 hands in the air. Take them down. By the show of hands, all who say Justice win that round, 2 hands in the air. Oh shit, this fucking shit. Shit. No. Can you take a picture of the crowd? You have a good camera, eh? Alright. Keep your hands up. By the show of hands, all who say Stonewall won that round, 2 hands in the air. Keep them up. Keep them up. Take the next picture. Alright, cool. Take them up. By the show of hands, all who say Justice won that round, 2 hands in the air. Take a picture. Keep them up. Keep them up. Take a picture. Alright. Let me see someone. Yeah, that's close, right? Someone on that? Let me see again. Hold on. I need, where is Denny? Where's Denny gone? Alright, yeah, no, hold on. Because you look at the crowd. Look at the fucking crowd. By the show of hands, all who say Stonewall win that round, 2 hands in here. Look at that. Look at fucking that. Take your hands down. By the show of hands, all who say Justice win that round, 2 hands in here. Look at fucking that. Look at that again. That shit is close, man. Yo, shit, that shit is close, man. Trust me. Alright, no. Listen, simple. That's a 5, no. Simple. That's a 5. Simple. All you said, that's the 5 songs. 2 hands in here. Alright. That's the 5. Hold on. This is what the It's tight. Best of 5 songs. Oh, you're not going
Push up that man, Samuel. Are you getting back in?
sound we catching up the pharmacy a buy pan. But them a buy rap pussy all your life pan. And when we catch them sound they a be a fan. You get a shot in your face, shot in your hands, murder your bumper class.
Justice come on now. All about Stonewall this and Stonewall that. Party boy justice. Party boy juvenile. I will shoot up your blood blood of all in here. Silence!
What is going on there? I'm saying somebody. It's about Stonewall. It's going on to the machine. Father violence and I said standards. What's your name?
Remember, it was a 15 years election.
This round is anything or anything. 15 years. Anything or anything. All the way to the next one is the war.
Panther. You have a friend in our boy. You let down country like a while. I'm not lie. You let down blood clot country. Justice. Are you on next round, you know? Are you a blood clot jump on next round? But I'll show you. People, when you see justice up your whole and body in them hand, you fly all the way from Miami to come up your whole and bull bun boy. All who does say Baltimore feel the rest, gun on them in here, so. All who kill Baltimore rest, gun on them like blood clot here, so and squeeze the one here. But that's okay.
Hey, there's not a big bad Stonewall song while you're bossing.
I'm pretty quick. We don't know say
Everyone who think of myself, they don't know say. I'm like who think of myself, they don't know say. Catch up, bro. Be myself. Do myself. Hey, when you're done, you don't fail. You're not with four one guns on the
push on them in here, so. They're looking at us. All who don't fuck about the push them up.
Yes, some man can't put them on here. They want to put them on the fucking can. That's the truth. Yes, some boy come and dance. Them can't play come here unless them on tape with them.
Right now. Thursday in the morning here. 3-7 Justice, envy you the blood clot down home. Come off the stage. Let me look up here. Come off the blood clot stage. I'm going to play some blood clot anthem now. Shirtless, play some tune from Plantation days.